At the beginning, the components are carefully prepared. Areas that must not be carburized are precisely covered with a protective paste. This allows the case hardening to be strictly limited to the functional zones of the component. The parts are then loaded into fixtures and transferred into the furnace system. The process runs under a controlled atmosphere. Carbon diffuses into the surface of the material, precisely regulated through temperature, time, and gas composition. Inside the furnace, the defined case layer is formed. The case depth and the resulting hardness are accurately tailored to the component geometry and its functional requirements. After carburizing, the hardening stage follows. The components are heated to the hardening temperature and then quenched in a controlled process. This step determines the microstructure and dimensional stability of the parts. The rapid cooling creates an extremely hard, wear-resistant surface layer, while the core remains tough and load-bearing. After the hardening process, cleaning and inspection take place. Dimensional checks, visual inspection, and, if required, further finishing operations ensure that all tolerances are fully met. The result? Components with high fatigue, strength, and optimized wear resistance, ideal for gears, shafts, and transmission components. Case hardening at RÜBIG means precise process control, reliable results, and maximum functional reliability in service.